going on, CBN? Well, actually, CBA Automations. This is a quick video that somebody requested. Well, they didn't really request a video, but they had a question in the group talking about your Stripe and the Afterpay. Let me kind of go to the question so I can make sure I get it right. But she says, how can I take off these other payment methods on my booking calendar? All right, so that's really simple. I think I put out a video. I can't really find it, but I put out a video a while ago on how to actually connect the kind of pay now, pay later, like Klarna, Affirm, and Afterpay. So I created a video on how to actually put that on. So it's actually the reverse, but I'm going to walk you through it. So that's actually in your Stripe account. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and kind of show you where to kind of get that information, how to change it real quickly. Okay, so if you go to right here where it says, well, first you're going to be in your home. This is your Stripe account or my Stripe account, right? So once you do that, you're going to go all the way over to where it has the settings. So we'll click on the settings and make sure my screen is sharing. Good. Click on the settings. Here, you're going to scroll down to where it says payments. Click payments. Now, for all this to kind of work, you have to have your Stripe connected to the CRM in order for these to kind of sync together. Okay. So once you go to settings and you go to payments, you're going to go and click payment methods over here. All right. And now you're going to scroll down. You're going to see all this information. All right. You're going to scroll all the way down to where it says pay now or buy now, pay later. So originally, as the previous video that I created states, these right here are automatically or they're defaulted to not be active. So they'll be off already, right? So now what's probably going on is that you'd already have them activated or you have them active or turned on. So what you want to do is just go back and just turn them all off. So let's go back to it again because I kind of got out of it. So like I said, right now, see how these up here are all turned off? These would be defaulted to off. But because they're on right now, now they're going to show up on your calendar. Anything that's requiring you or requiring the person to have to pay, then it's going to pop up as an option. So you want to take all of if you don't want Klarna on there, you don't want Afterpay on there, you don't want Affirm on there, just switch it to off. And you do that by just going in here, you go into each one of them, you hit the three dots. Let's go here. Actually, not the three dots, you hit the actual word active. So once you hit that, this screen will pop up and you'll just click turn off. And if you want to kind of confirm, just go to the next one, same thing, turn it off and turn it off. And then once you do that, you should be good to go. You'll probably have to refresh your screen on your CRM to make sure that it kind of takes and give it a second, and you should be able to see where those will actually pop off. But the only reason they're on there is because you have given it access or you have it activated on your Stripe account, which is connected with your Go High Level or you're connected with your CRM. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, just reach out.